Alright, this our 3D scanner. Got the red part is the main electronics, and then the bottom gray part is the electronic transducer. It's an acoustic device which bounces sound waves throughout the silo to measure distance to product. Okay, so again, we have the power wire we can bring in through the cable gland. You just bring it up through the bottom, leave you enough slack, and then you can bring the RS-45 cable in also at the same time. So we bring the power in. You can see it's clearly labeled power plus or minus. It is 24 volt DC. So you bring in your two terminals. There are screw terminals at on the top. There you go. That completes the power wiring. Then you have the RS-45 cable. Again, it's plus and minus. It is polarity sensitive. If you had another scanner where you're daisy chaining the wiring, you would bring in another RS-45 cable and you'd daisy chain it off of this same two terminals. So you'd have two blue terminals coming in, two white terminals, and then the other wire would go out to your next scanner. So you're just continuing the daisy chain. Okay, to install the horn can be installed in any direction. It's not really that critical which direction you install it. You can rotate it. There's a jam nut on the front that holds the head to the horn, just by tightening this down. Then you can lock down the set screw. There's a plastic piece we installed. It holds the horn cable in place. So that when the cover is installed, there's actually a trap that traps that cable and holds that cable in so the horn doesn't come out.